I drunk 3 years. Come on, Mike.
Said it's one of the same.
Looking for hanging out, man.
Bro, I was already coming back out this way. You said you was trying to link up. Why the hell not?
Keith even said earlier, he goes,
Oh my God!
yeah, I don't know why. He goes, he wants to hang out. And he goes, after he gets out of work, we smoke break. He goes, it's cool as hell because I like him. That's what Keith said. He goes, I like him. I was like, yeah,
Sure, I'm not. I don't want no problem with nobody.
what do you think about that perk? Suck it up. Was it good?
I'm rolling pretty good.
Ow!
He said, for sure. I will.
20 and G.
So now you see what I'm saying. You're like, oh.
Wait a minute, they're making. What? That's a witch hat!
Like, I like yours. Don't get me wrong. But
It's just because mine's really good. It's going to have that gluey taste to it.
shit, that got me out. I said, I just like this more. You see why? You're like,
Yeah,
no.
no hate at all.
He said no hate at all.
I still have my sour raspberry. Love it.
Oh.